In this video, we'll cover how to add contacts straight from GoHighLevel into a Kixie Power List, making it easy to launch a call session right out of your CRM. Let's check it out. So to do this, first we're going to go to the automation section, and then we're going to create a new workflow, and we'll start from scratch. So the use case here is a new contact was just added to HighLevel CRM, and I want my team to call them right away. So for the trigger, I'm just going to select contact created. The use case might depend on your business. However, sometimes people are calling off new opportunities that are created or opportunities that reach a certain stage. But for speed to lead, for like true speed to lead, what we want to do is when a contact is created, we want to call that contact immediately. So I save the trigger and I'll click on the plus sign. And now I need to find Kixie Add a Power List. Here it is. And it wants my Power List ID, so I can find that in the Kixie dashboard. And when I'm in the Kixie dashboard and I go to the Power List section, I can actually find my Power List ID right over here to the left. It's possible to have multiple Power Lists that your team is subscribed to, which is why we need to specify which Power List we want to actually send the new contact into. So for this, I always recommend having a Power List specifically for new leads. And what I mean by that is that when I click into a Power List, they all come with a priority level, and there's 5 total priorities. So a speed to lead Power List is set to the highest priority, meaning that your reps are subscribed to this Power List, and they're also subscribed to lower priority Power Lists where your older or colder leads are, and you're there following up with them in the background. But when a new lead enters HighLevel, they call that new lead right away because it went into a highest priority Power List. And notice how I set the max attempts for 1, because I only want to dial this lead 1 time as a top priority lead. Once that happens, I actually use the next Power List action down here at the bottom to push them into a lower priority list for continuous follow-up by my team. So I grab the Power List ID. I come back over here into the workflow. I paste that ID. We already have the contact's phone number field mapped out. The contact first name is missing, so I'll just quickly add that. And I can map contact properties into the Kixie Power List by clicking on this icon right here, this little tag icon. And I select first name, or I select contact, first name, and now my first name is mapped. And the rest of the information is already mapped, contact last name, email, and you can put in more information if you need to, like job title, company name, whatever makes sense for your process. Basically, whatever information about the contact you want your team to have readily available in their Power Dialer view, this all information is all got to get mapped in there so they have it easily available without having to jump into the HighLevel contact record. Although it is easy to do that because there's a link to that contact record in the Kixie Power Dialer. So I go ahead and click save. I just give my workflow some kind of name like add to Kixie speed to lead Power List. I click save and then I publish it. Save one more time. And I'm done. I've now created an automation that will send my brand new leads into a Kixie highest priority speed to lead Power List. And that's how you connect HighLevel CRM to your Kixie Power List. Quick setup, instant calling, no extra steps. If this saves you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more Kixie how-tos and automation tips. Thanks for watching.